Hi guys, I just made this quick video so that you guys are ready for the camp on Monday. I just need you to install a couple pieces of software, and I thought it might be easier just to do it right in front of you. So I'm gonna make this real quick. So we're gonna need a couple pieces of software. First, we're gonna need is Unity. So it's either Unity.com or Unity3D.com. Both of them will land you here. You need to install this. So all you have to do is just go to Products. I guess get started. Here we go. And then you're going to see it's got this stuff, and it's like, you want to pay all this money? The really cool thing about Unity is it's actually free. So you can actually use it as a business, and it's still until you start making over 100,000 in the last 12 months, you don't have to pay them anything, which is really awesome. So what I would suggest is, and once you're making 100,000, I think you can throw in a couple bones. I would suggest downloading the student version. So you would just click sign up and you put in your student information and all that. Or if you don't want to do that, you can also just do the personal. But honestly, either one is fine. Just go ahead and install Unity. It should install Unity Hub and Unity the editor. Just whatever the latest version is what you would like to install. So yeah, so you would just sign up and then get authorized with apply for a student developer pack, activate. I don't know. Just do that. Oh, or if that seems kind of annoying, just do get started, and then you'd have to create an account and do that. All right. So that's one piece of software we're going to need. Another one we're going to need is Maya. Autodesk.com. So autodesk.com. And you're going to see this. And Autodesk is basically a leading manufacturer of basically CAD programs. Which computer aided drawing. So basically, what you do is once you go here, you have two options. You can either do free trials, or again, you guys are students, so it should work, but they did change things a little bit. But you go to menu, and then you'll see students and educators or free trials. Okay, so try the students and educators first. So you just click students and educators. And then let's see, download free software. Oh boy, then click start now. And then you'll see Maya is the program that I want you to use. So you click on Maya, and then it will pop up here. Now, you probably don't already have an account, so you'll create an account. And then you will go from there. Now, what they'll have you do is they're going to have you make an account, and they're going to search for your school. And if your school is part of their list, they will let you download it. And basically, you get to use it for a year for free. It's the full version. Everything about it is exactly the same as the other one. The only difference is when you load it up, it'll say this is a student version. That's basically it. So create the account. If for some reason your school's not listed, just download it as just do a free trial then instead. Okay. Either way, the trial will be long enough for the 5 days that we're going to be having class. But this is what we're going to use. This is going to be our main 3D application software that we're going to use. So I want you to download that. And then another thing I would like you to download is pixologic.com. And we're not going to do ZBrush because that is way too much. And let me see, do they even have, see, they don't even show it in here anymore. So you're actually better off going to like Bing and typing in Sculptris. All right, so Sculptris. Or you can go pixologic.com /Sculptris. Click on that. And then you're going to click on the free download and agree, and then Windows, and then it's going to ask for your email and all the other jazz. Now, they don't really send like a bunch of email or a bunch of emails and stuff, so it's fine. You're not going to get spammed. But just fill this out, and then it'll give you an installer, and then you can install this. They actually have a newer version of this, but it actually has a couple less features that we're going to need. So Sculptris is the other application. So basically, you need Unity, which is going to be our game engine. You're going to need Maya, which is going to be our main hard surface like environment and object modeler. And then we're going to need Sculptris, which is going to be what we're going to sculpt our enemies out of. Okay. Those are basically the three apps. If you have any issues or whatever, let me know. I am at jcone, CONE, at cecil.edu. Look forward to seeing you guys on Monday.